Yep. Our road trip continues as we go on a dangerous, beautiful hike in Tepoztlan and try to find some magic mushrooms on the way up. This travel show is candid so people don't know they're on camera, not even my friends. Good morning.
Siguen derecho, buenos días.
Hola.
Siguen derecho y pues van a ver una raíz así gigante que se puede escalar y hay una cuerda. Sí, se puede escalar, está súper chido ese camino.
Oh, chido.
Y como un pequeño mirador.
Yeah, for sure.
Buenos días.
Buenos días.
¿Te comes la piel del mango o no?
¿En serio?
Solamente yo.
Ya sé. I don't know.
A lot less work though.
Yeah.
Fucking do it.
¿Tú estás haciendo un bolo? ¿Un pastel?
Pan de plátano. Ajá.
Ah, también, bueno.
Muy
chévere.
vegan.
¿Qué tal?
Gracias, hermano.
Oh, good to see you, bro. Good morning. How you doing?
Morning. Good. And you?
Excited to climb this mountain.
Mm-hmm.
You gonna take it easy?
Yeah.
Good plans, yeah.
Very carefully there.
Oh yeah. So hey, it's the magic, right?
Yeah.
Enjoy.
Thank you.
I didn't see anything else the other way.
She's like, yeah, make a left and you go to a clearing. You see a path to the right. That's about right.
This makes sense.
But you said it got pretty high.
You ever want some Doritos? You let your boy know. I got some in there. Definitely a rock climb. A little skeptical about coming down. Yep. Don't keep that big one down.
I feel like the girl would have told us shit was this intense. She made us seem like, oh, you just go this little path. I don't think this is it.
It's all good. I think we'll keep going. It's gonna reward. Dude, this is no joke. Didn't expect it to be this dangerous. Woo-hoo-hoo.
There's a lot of people up here now.
Yeah.
Because she was like, after that you'll come to like a pine forest.
Oh, then we're in the right spot.
She probably should have warned us.
I should go into the cave, and that's it. Alright.
That's pretty nuts.
Alright, let's do it. Questionable? Very questionable. Is it? There's a rope, nice. Dude, should I not be right here in case that snaps?
If he's nuts, I'm fucked.
I'm fucked too, you're gonna land on me.
How the fuck are we gonna get down?
I don't know, man. Be careful. It's kind of sketch, no? How's it once you pass the rope?
Not that much better, but there's a tree.
I just want my phone to fall. There would be a fucking spider here.
Oh, really?
Yeah. I just gotta ignore it. You okay? You know, I'm afraid of heights.
You right?
Yep.
I would come from some.
This is pretty cool, actually.
It's pretty sketchy.
What the fuck? Trying to find mushrooms. I can go first.
My GPS worked, we can see where we are.
I mean, we could always go a little bit and see if it starts to loop down, but not everyone can do this. Like, well, you know, adults and shit, I think it's hard.
This is getting close to the top.
In terms of
Sketchy list.
sketchiness? Yeah. Bro, that was tough.
Yeah.
Mentally. Right. That was I'm shaking. Does this have the odor?
Like in Texas, I pick them. There's not that many kinds. Like in the forest, there's way
You
too
said it's
many.
harder to make a mistake.
It's way easier to make a mistake here.
Yeah, for sure. Hit it, make it bleed. Wait a second,
Yeah, I mean, you have to.
Yeah.
Ideally, you wait like
a
a few minutes.
few minutes, and then if it bleeds purple, that's good.
Yeah, because the purple is still exciting.
Alright. Allá, comemos ya. Gracias.
Digo, ¿para qué come? Conmigo.
Ah, sí, no sé. Próxima vez, ¿no?
Órale, pues.
So he's like handing out toys to this fucking local kid.
That's awesome.
And he keeps like winning. And like the whole town's like cheering him on.
That's so awesome.
The guy with the
The shop owner,
Yeah.
for sure.